Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if you're looking at this video and you can notice, I'm not sure if you can notice this side of the eye. I don't know what is happening this morning. It doesn't, this particular side doesn't want me to do my makeup, and I have to look all put together to come to the camera, right? But anyway, if you see any kind of watery eyes, just I apologize. It's just what it is, and I got to do what I have to do. Alright, ladies. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying this sportswear that was sent to me by a company called T4.com, and I also put their name on the screen, also in the description box, and also I'm going to be putting my discount code in the description box just in case if you're going to be interested in this sportswear. This brand, they have all sorts of sportswear on their website, and the ones that I'll be featuring today, they do have them in different colors, but the color that I chose is what you are going to be seeing today. Also, they do have them in different sizes. I chose my bottom to be medium because I'm a little bit bigger on that side compared to my upper part of my body, so I chose a small for my top and my bottom as medium. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do me a huge favor by liking this video. Also, please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. This particular one that I'm going to be featuring today, you can actually wear it outside, to stroll your neighborhood, to stay at home, and most important thing about it, if you're going to be using it as outdoor outfit, it has sun protection. The top has sun protection of SPF 50. Don't think because we are in winter time you don't need to protect yourself. You still need to use your sunscreen just like the way you use it during the summertime. And I actually love the fact that this particular jacket has SPF 50 plus, and I love all the features that you are going to be seeing as I put it on. I will point out the features and let you all see. We're going to be starting with the pants, which is called, the pants is called the Women's Golf Joggers Moisture Wicking Tapered Pants with deep side pockets. They have it in coffee, black, blue, brown, dark gray, khaki, and light gray, which is the one I'm featuring today. The size I'm wearing, like I mentioned, is medium on this size, and it's 55% polyester, 49% PBT. It's a drawstring closure, and it can retain moisture. This jogger pants fabrics is designed with advanced moisture wicking capability, keeping you dry and comfortable during the outdoor activity. 2, it is steady and stretchy material. It's wrinkle-free material that they use. It reduces the need for ironing. You don't have to worry about steaming either, the way they made the material. And the shape retain its original shape even after repeated wear and washing. Also, it features 5 pockets. This is amazing. We have one that is the bigger pockets that you can put your 2 hands in. We have a smaller one inside, which is inside and it's deep there on the left and the right. That makes it 4 pockets, and one at the back with a zipper where you can also put something inside of it, probably like your glove for your golf, probably something that can stay in there. The next feature about this pant is adjustable waist and tapered cuff. The versatile waistband draw cord can be worn inside or out, accommodating various styles. The tapered legs provide breathing room for the thigh and create a slimming effect on the body. It is stylish and very versatile. Women's stretchy joggers pants with streamlined design can be paired with variety of tops and are suitable for multiple occasions such as golf, camping, travel, exercise, and everyday wear. Moving on to the top, they have it in different colors. They have the blue, the ice blue, black, green, purple. They do have it in rose red, silver gray, which is the one I'm going to be featuring, also white. They have the sizes from size small to extra large, and I'm featuring the size small today. This is called the Women's UPF 50 plus sun protection hoodie jacket, fishing hiking shirts with pockets. This jacket is lightweight and quick dry It's made with a quick dry fabric. It features a lightweight, high density mesh fabric that enhances ventilation, wicks moisture away from the skin, wicks away sweat, and dries quickly to cool comfort. The hoodie has a thumb hole design. It gives you more neck protection. Low profile thumb holes help keep your sleeves in place, extending coverage to hands for sun protection. You can wear it as outdoor activity for hiking. You can wear it on the beach side for vacation. You can use it for cycling. You can use it to travel or just to walk around in your house. This jacket, I would recommend it especially when you're going out, and the reason is because it has sun protection of SPF of 50 plus. All right, ladies, this is how this is looking. I really like it. It's very comfortable, and it's something that you can invest in. It's high quality, and it's very affordable. You all know that this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. I just like this feature that it's going to protect your sleeve from rolling up, because it already have this thumb hole that you can just stick your thumb out of it, and that will give you the protection. Even if you raise up your hands, it's not going to slip up or go to the back, except you just want it to be stylish. And you know, I'm all about wearing your things anyhow you feel comfortable, except you want to be stylish, you want to roll it up like this. You could wear this with any of your other gym outfits. You could use this to just walk around in your neighborhood. You could use it to stay at home. The most important thing is it's sun protection, SPF 50 and above, which means when you're outside during this kind of weather, it's winter time, I still use my sunscreen. You don't have to worry about your body being especially if you have sensitive skin, being harmed by the sun ray. This is going to protect you. It's SPF 50 plus. All right, ladies, I'm going to show you how everything is looking from head to toe with my gym sneakers, and we're going to wrap up this video. Please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Also check in the description box for my discount code. Also, I'm going to be leaving the name of the company in the description box as well. Their website is going to be in the description box, so for you to visit and see so many more amazing things they have. Especially my ladies, if you're into hiking, golfing, and or going if you want to look sophisticated when you go out to do all this leisure activity, I would recommend that you should look into this website. For all my high class lady out there, I am telling you what they have there. Especially if you like horse riding, you're going to see some beautiful pants to ride a horse. I don't have that kind of privilege yet, but it's something I would love to do in the future, and I would definitely want to buy things that look like that on their website to be able to go out to go ride horse. They are so beautiful. They look very classy and very chic. So check www.fits4.com. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.